This feels like we're on a brand new trip, you know?
Yeah, it does. I'm excited to watch this back.
It's a whole different experience going down the hill in a car. Rise and shine. We are off to our first major hike of this entire trip. We got all the essentials: sunscreen, water, a bath towel because we did laundry yesterday and all our jackets are still drying and the sun is not out yet. Pookie is looking beautiful as usual.
Aww.
Fortunately, it is raining and quite windy based on the trees. However, the weather says maybe it'll be sunny in like an hour, so we might just tank it and do the hike now. It is unfortunate, but we must go. We want to do this hike on a good weather day. Boo!
Boo. Boo.
We made it to Santana and we're here to see the cute little houses. Good thing we brought our beach towels because we're freezing out here. Wait! Oh! Is this your house? Oh, they're all a little different.
Yeah. Oh my god, I want to take him home.
We're definitely doing the itinerary a little backwards, but gotta do what you gotta do when you have bad weather. Now that we've had breakfast, I think we're just gonna do the drive to Fanal. Based on the weather, it looks like it's cloudy, so there could be fog. And also, don't be like us. Bring a jacket, because Fanal is usually way colder.
Wait, this is kind of creepy.
This is sick! I actually feel like the bullet in Mario Kart.
Yeah.
Wow. It's pretty crazy that we're getting this view just from the car.
I know.
Yeah, we're still in our bath towels because it's quite actually windy and chilly, but I think we're in luck because it is a little foggy today. There's so many cows here. Clouds just come in and out. It's actually pretty magical to see. This is worth the drive.
Oh, so worth it.
Oh my god, it's raining. Yeah. Under the trees, there's so much condensation.
Yeah, your hair is like...
Yeah. What do we think?
That's amazing. Our hair is so wet. Like my bangs.
I have condensation on my eyelashes.
Yeah.
That was really nice. I'm glad we got to see it in both the sun and the fog. You definitely recommend it. This is a must go.
Yeah, this is a must do.
Wow, even without speeding the video up, you can see the clouds moving. It's sick. Let's go. We're stuck here because cows are crossing right now.
It's a cow crossing.
Wonder if I could.
Oh,
It's just got an itch to scratch. We changed and now we're ready for lunch. Scabbard fish with onion sauce. Smells amazing. That's better than all the other fish that we've had.
the scabbard fish?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's a little late in the day, but we went to Seychelles early this morning to check out their beach. Turns out it was a little cloudy, but it was still really beautiful. Now that we're back, we're gonna go to brunch. We're becoming a little predictable now. We're going to Loja Docha again. We went upstairs. It's so beautiful here.
It feels so weird ringing it. It's really loud.
Good morning. We've officially been here for like a week and a half. Unfortunately, it's also cloudy and somewhat rainy today, so we're just gonna take it easy, maybe get some sweaters for the big hike tomorrow. But first we're going to Loft. Once again, we're gonna give it another shot. Trying a bunch of new stuff today. We got the Istanbul and this tapioca crepe with Nutella and strawberry. Hot contender was this one, a lemon waffle. Doesn't that sound amazing? I'm gonna play, yeah.
Nice. She won.
We're going into this giant department store now. Apparently it has everything you could ever think of. I guess it's most likely I can find a sweater in here.
Well, the material is actually really soft.
Okay, like the patterns may look kind of out there, but why are they kind of growing on me?
We might have stumbled upon a gem. This is baby blue color is so cute.
It's like 13 euros.
I know. There's more here as well.
It's crazy. Becoming an errands day.
Yeah.
I just got my sweater. We're gonna go get more chocolate as souvenirs. My God. That looks so good. You thought the chocolate segment was over? It's not. We got lemon, peanut butter, passion fruit truffle, caramel. Caramel. Can't go wrong. Standard caramel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing special, but it's good.
Look how pretty that is. It's like pure peanut butter inside. Surprisingly, it works.
Passion fruit's really good. I don't taste the truffle.
It's just like a chocolate with passion fruit.
Yeah.
There's no
I think
truffle.
the original passion fruit is so much better. Pretty good?
The best one out of the 4.
Yeah.
Guava and passion fruit were actually the best.
Superior.
Yeah. Dinner time. Yeah, they actually piled this with seafood.
I like this a lot, yeah.
Look how much seafood there was. Yeah, the rumors are true. We did get a second slice to go.
Cheers, cheers. That's amazing.
It is 5:30. We're like the only people out at this hour, or so we think. We can already start to see the sun come up a little bit. I don't know if this is focusing, but there's this giant ball all the way up there that we need to get to. It's about 1 kilometer away uphill. We're in the mud now. It's been almost an hour. The view is still stunning, but Tom said that we would get to the stairway to heaven around the half-hour mark, so I don't know if we just walked right past it, but now we're going into a tunnel. Oh, so that's fun. It's like a whole other biome here. Now it's very muddy, cloudy, foggy. We're still hiking. We went down a ton of stairs, so I think we are just going to have to complete the full hike. All right, tunnel number 2, tunnel number 3. All right. Okay, I'm gonna stop counting. There's another tunnel up ahead. After all that downhill, it's time to climb. We just passed that sign over there. We got 2.4K left. Every time we see some stairs. Is that it? Can confirm these are not the stairways to heaven. A lot of stairs. Got more stairs ahead of us. It started raining. We're going through the 4 seasons right now. 500 meters to go. You can sort of see a little house right over there. We made it. Whole community here. I think everyone is a little pooped. Maybe the stairway to heaven was the friends we made along the way. That was quite the adventure.
That was quite the experience.
Yes. I wish there were better reviews online so we could prepare ourselves.
Yeah.
But there weren't. So we will be the reviews. First of all, when you come here early. There are 2 parking lots here. One is really close to the hike and the viewpoint. One is a little lower, like a 30-minute walk. We got here 1 hour before the sunrise and the upper parking lot was completely full. So we had to make that 30-minute walk uphill to the viewpoint.
And it was cold and windy.
The wind, it
Yeah,
is
it's
so
very
windy.
windy.
Bring gloves if you want to take a lot of pictures.
Oh yeah.
The hike itself was really good at first. I think All Trails says it's like a out and back trail, but it actually is like point A to point B and you don't have to come back the same way. There's actually like an easier route that you can take, and if you take that, you're out of there on relatively flat ground.
Yeah.
And there are taxis waiting for you to drive you back to the initial parking lot. That is what we did because I was actually pooped. Like I could not do that hike back. There were so many stairs.
There were parts where it was muddy, slippery.
Yeah, there were tunnels you had to go through to avoid water. Bring proper hiking shoes. And for us, it was just kind of disappointing because when we got to the second peak, it was just
cloudy. So
Yeah.
we did the whole hike just for cloud, like a lot of heavy fog. So I feel like I can't even say if it was worth it because I don't know like what the actual next view would have looked like.
For us, like the best part was just that first hour.
Yeah.
And then after the first tunnel, it was just pure clouds.
Yeah.
It was still a good experience.
Yeah, we
and
can say we did it.
Yeah, and that viewpoint was the most beautiful place I've ever seen in my life. Like it was so stunning. Oh, and bring cash for the taxi because it is expensive. It's a 1-hour drive back to the parking lot. This is the aftermath, by the way. It's actually crazy how many cars there are lined up here. Like they already have to walk an hour to get to the start of the hike.